In this video, I'm going to talk about basic syntax of C++. So let's think about the one of the simplest programming in C++. So I'll just say int main, and so this one basically is the type of function and function name main, and inside of parentheses you would put some parameters. So at this point you don't have to know everything here, but I will briefly explain what they are and a basic syntax of C++. So int argument count, char star, and argument value, box bracket, and curly braces, and return 0. So just to talk about basic syntax, what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually use famous printf function. Printf is allow us to display or print out some text string to the screen. So this would be one of the famous hello world the programming. So here printf now has this red underline, and it indicates identifier printf is undefined, meaning we have to include some package that contains definition and declaration of this printf. So usually we would do include, and in this case we're going to add standard.io.h. Okay. And now, as you can see, the red line underneath of printf and goes away. So here, okay, C++, well, like other programming language, C++ has some keywords. Keywords are certain command or certain words that's already taken by C++. So if you take a look at it, int, char, return, these are examples of keywords that you cannot use as a programmer. So they are already taken and you cannot use it. So if you Google it, you can simply Google C++ keywords, then you can go to some website that contains a list of keywords. So these are C++ keywords, and this you cannot basically use as a programmer. Again, they are already taken. So for instance, like you would have like famous like while loop. Oops. So whenever you type while, this one now is in blue color, which means this is a the keyword taken by C++. And this one, like whatever line we use, we call it statement. Okay, so here this is keyword. Main is basically function name. This one is in black color, means this is some like a name of function. Okay. So here inside, so this one would be structure of function as well. So this one, int, would be data type. I mean, in this case, function type, which value it will return. Okay, so this is integer indicates this function, this int function will return some value in integer. Okay, and this one is name of the function. In general, if you use main function, C++ will take this main function as an entry point, meaning it will find this main function and execute it. And parentheses, inside of this parentheses would be parameters. Parameters are some inputs that will be used inside of this function. And curly braces, inside of curly braces we will have statement. Statement is the line of code that will be followed by this semicolon, and semicolon indicates this is end of code, and this will be our statement. And if you look at the first line, it has found include standard IOH. And this one, okay, this found symbol, okay, means this is a preprocessor. So meaning this is not really a statement. So that's why there is no semicolon. Okay. So basically, this is preprocessor. So this one will be processed before it goes into this main entry point, and basically it will include, meaning it will try to make connection between your main.cpp file to this header file, standard.io.h header file. Okay. And other things we are going to talk about more, but here this is very basic syntax of C++. Okay, so this is preprocessor, so it will process it before it goes into this main entry point, and this is a common function structure. This one, function type, function name, parenthesis, parameter 1, parameter 2, and curly braces basically contains this statement or expression, and statements always end with a semicolon. And later on we'll look at function structure and other structure as well, but this is basic structure of, or basic structure and basic syntax of C++. Okay, hope it helped.